I'm Queen Wisdom Okello. Today I'm standing at the main building of Makerere University. As a little girl, back then, I dreamt of being a student of Makerere University, and today is my first time to come to this mighty university as a student on government sponsorship. So I want to encourage you that all the dreams that you have can come to pass if you put in hard work, determination, focus. Yes, everything you dream of can come to pass. All the late preps, the night reading paid off. Yes, they paid off, so today I'm grateful, and I promise myself that once I get this government sponsorship, I will walk out of this university with a first class degree. Surely it will happen. It will happen by the grace of God and with my focus and determination.